Come in.
Oh, Detective. I didn't think you'd be in this late.
It's 11 a.m., Phelps. I just had the blinds closed.
He smelled like Miley Cyrus and Paris Hilton mixed together. The kid could barely even stand. He was drunk, and he was doing a terrible job of hiding it.
I wasn't drunk. I was just really stupid.
Anyway, I thought we could go over the case notes.
Ah, yes. They're in the cabinet just next to you.
Detective? Why do you have a collection of troll dolls in your office?
Troll dolls? Don't be ridiculous. I've never seen those before in my life.
I was lying. I've been an avid collector of dolls for the past 10 years now. I'll do anything I can to get my hands on the rarest ones out there.
Oh, wow. You even got the Santa Claus troll. He's a limited edition. Oh, you will not believe how many sleepless nights it... No, look, anyway. So what if they're mine? What are you gonna do about it?
Well, I literally did not know what to say. I needed to think of something, and fast. Cause, well, I was missing Desperate Housewives, and it's getting really good lately.
If you let this get out, I'll shoot.
His fingers didn't fool me. I knew he'd forgotten his gun. I wasn't that stupid, but I had to play along. I couldn't let him know that I knew his mistake.
Please, don't shoot. Detective, I've got a phone call for you. Is this a bad time?